Okay, this is for Kip and Wyatt. Pick the pin up, put it in the 90-degree position, open the arm. It locks it from going too far, but I can swing it back and forth all I want, the 90-degree position, with the pin there. So it's just friction holding it open. But if I don't have the bike on the rack, then I can go all the way to 120, and the pin will hold it if I can hold the phone and line up the pin all at the same time, which is not easy. There we go. Damn it. There we go. Whatever. But it's now, it won't work with the truck because of the angle at 120 lines up with the corner of the truck. So you have to have it at 90 to work on the truck.